Welcome back to another video, guys. This is the third or fourth video on the tractor. Second when we are in relation to the painting. Now I told you the next video you saw we'd be finishing up that tin paint. We finally got all the pieces that we needed. We have done a lot of work to the tractor that you haven't seen yet. So I'm going to show you real quick all the pieces and parts that we've added to the tractor. We have the radiator on with the all new radiator hoses on bottom and top. We have all of the new plugs in. We have all of the new wiring in. The alternator is on. Painted manifold with the exhaust all done. New hose clamps, new hose. We have the intake tube coming on, so it's really looking good. Now my favorite piece of this entire thing is the seat cover. Wife got me this for Christmas. Looks awesome, has the Ford logo on it, which matches the hood, which matches the fenders. So I'm super excited about that because we originally painted the seat black. Otherwise, we have a new battery cable. We have all of the wiring done, which I showed you in the previous video. I put a battery in it, it turns over. Obviously I can't do much because we don't have a gas tank. I could put a temporary gas tank on it, but I'm still trying to figure that one out. Alrighty, so this is the paint we're using. Now, once again, it is Tisco. Now, Tisco is made by Van Sickle. I picked up the reducer and the hardener from O'Reilly's, but they did not have the paint that I wanted. But we have the grill in here. Everything is scuffed down with a red scuff pad. We have the hood, or the grill. We have part of the hood, the two fenders for the front headlights, two rear fenders, which I'm super excited about because I want to get those on so we can get some other pieces on here. And then we have our front tires. Now, alrighty guys, welcome back to another day out here. I was not going to film today, but we just got the second coat done on the tractor tonight, but I also finished the hood and I got all the holes patched. I got it primed. Now it's just a rattle can primer, so you do see some lines in it, but we're going to get it sanded down. Now I did fix all the major holes and that was the main goal. I'm not a professional, but I was able to fix and repair all the big holes, still retain all the body lines, and it turned out really well. So we are on the final painting day. Super excited. I've got my tack coat on the hood and the two rear tires. Super excited. The front wheels, the grill, the rear fenders turned out amazing. So I'm going to show you those real quick. But yeah, here's the rears. They just turned out really nice. We got the rear light mounted, but we still have to wire it. Now I did leave all the dents. You can see a dent right there. And then on the back, you can see the dents there. I did not mess with any of that. I left it all. We can call it patina or whatever you want. Insides, I did the bolts. Those are all painted. We'll hit the lug nuts before we put the wheels on. Alrighty guys, it's been a minute since I last spoke to you and we were getting ready to go in and spray these last tins here, and we officially have it done. We are going to get the hood on, we're going to get the fuel tank in there, we're going to get this thing started because I could not devise a plan to get this thing running with the gravity fuel system. It was just going to be a mess. So we're going to get the fuel tank in first, we're going to get this hood put on without the lower pieces of the hood that have the headlights. That way, if we do have any issues, we have room to work. So we changed. Alrighty guys, so we got the hood on, we got the gas tank in, it looks awesome. Now you saw me tightening everything down. We do have fuel in the fuel bowl, and I wanted to make sure we had fuel going to the carburetor. So the best way to do that is taking that little drain screw out of the bottom, the smallest one, and you should have a steady stream of gas coming out. We have no leaks that I found, but I'm gonna look again here in a minute. Alrighty guys, she runs. That's super exciting. We have spark, we have gas, we have everything we need to get this thing running. Now something was squeaking up front, so I want to make sure all the belts are tight, make sure we're not hitting anything and anything of that nature. But she runs. That's super exciting. So I'm going to do a little work, get it purring like it's supposed to be, and then I'll get back with you. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. We're going to end this video here. Hope everybody liked it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so we can keep doing awesome projects like this. We may get another tractor. This was a lot of fun. Now there are some things I still want to replace. I want to add some bushings. I want to do some little stuff, but for the most part, I'm super excited. The next time you see this video, we're going to be doing a huge reveal. We're going to have everything wired up, all the lights going, so super pumped. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe. See you later.